guys, you know how all my videos aren't that long? Since they're not that long, this video might, sorry about the dogs, but this video will be a little longer than the other ones, but still kind of short. Because my battery and my camera right now is going a bit dead, so it's on like 7%, but it's plugged in, but it's not really charging because I'm using it. So I'm just going to make a quick, longer video. Probably not as long as that movie that I made. It's probably not like a movie, it's more like a show. But I forgot to tell you at the very beginning or end. I forgot what I was going to tell you, but I forgot to tell you that was a 2-part show. So yeah, I like the part where she's at me and I turn into a teenager or something. That was the part it changed. And if you haven't seen that, go to, man, I forgot my name. It's something, Debbie Elliott dot, maybe? I just know it starts with Debbie Elliott. It's like a little nickname I made up for one of my fake cats. So I just decided to use that name for my videos. Like, not videos, but the name for my YouTube name. And if you haven't seen my video bracelet, or if it's called, I think it's called bracelet, you definitely need to go see that. So, yeah. So that's the dogs. I'm laying in bed because I'm kind of sick. Sure. So, yeah. Oh, you know that video? Well, if you know this video, yeah, this video of me checking my temperature. It's kind of lame, but it's the only thing I really had to video. That was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. The other day. So, let's move this through. So yeah, want to see my cat? Come on, kitty. Cute. So, his name is Maddox. Like it? Cute. So, hope you like the video. Bye.